Now we're here in the Iwata Shrine and we're gonna have our lunch here, no? So our tour guide said that Takachio only has 10,000 people. Yun na yung population nila and it's a really massive place. Despite na onti lang sila, napaka well maintained nung ano nila, nung place nila. Cold. It's really cold. Hindi ko lang po na-mention ko na but we actually joined a Chinese tour. Kaya puro Chinese talaga. Pero what we appreciate is that our tour guide is trying her best na mag-English ganyan. That's what's really touching. Is that habang nagta-travel kami, nagdi-discuss siya, yung mga ganyan. Then, nung pumunta kami dun sa train, ang ginawa niya, hindi siya sumama doon. Ang ginawa niya, nag-translate siya, tapos minessage niya sa amin yung mga pinagsasabi niya kanina. So we really appreciate that. W for Miss Mao. So, what's the best thing to do pag 9 degrees? Drink mango juice. We're walking in some chair. Okay. So we've now arrived here. Tingnan nyo. What's unique about this is there's a lot of parang yung mga pinagpatong-patong na stone. And all of these mga patong-patong stone. First hail experience. Yes. Oh my god. Ayan, so we're now here in Takachio Gorge. Tingnan nyo.
Picture mo kayong dalawa.
We're in a boat. At tayo ang rower.
Hi, Pernell.
Sige, ikaw pero
tama tayo sa baba.
Feeling ko dapat nakatalikod ako.
Babe.
Yung GoPro ko bukas pa.
Hindi ko na kaya dito. Kabang-kaba na ako.
So we've stopped for a bit. Tapos ito na yung falls sa likod. This is the whole gorge. This is the place where we usually just see it on YouTube. No? Parang dito na tayo. We made it, guys. We made it. Takot.
Kasi I remember yung sa Palawan eh.
Ano kayo? Takot na takot siya. Napakaganda. I really had a hard time filming. Okay?
Yes.
Dahil tayo naglaro.
Yes.
And when you're there, parang magpo-focus ka na lang talaga sa paglaro. Kakabahan ka.
Kasi as a padre de pamilya, salamat tayo. Ito yung pinaka-enjoy mong activity.
Ang sakit ng legs ko. Parang ako yung nag-row.
Nanginginig ka kasi.
I think kailangan siya matrain sa baha ng Pilipinas. Para sa next time.
Hindi mo ako mapapalakad sa baka.
Our cameras can't give justice to how beautiful the gorge is. It was a great experience, no? I really like when you're really involved in just doing something, no? Grabe nakakatawa. While waiting for our bus to come back, magpapakain muna kami ng fish. And how they do it here, it's more on honesty lang. Just drop it here and then feed the fish. Go? So we're gonna feed some fish. Chunky yung fish.
Right. Mga to, big one. Ito ba?
Chunky. It's another day. And it may look like na pare-pareho lang suot ko, no? But I'm repeating the same jacket and long sleeves because sobrang lamig. But we're here. Ang itinerary natin today is Mount Aso. But magkakaroon muna kami ng stop to a shrine.
Pero talaga tayong wala sa Japan.
Korea, no?
Yosemite. So along the way, you see a lot of cedar trees. Sobrang tataas nila. Parang mga ganito.
It is. Lobster.
So this is a cedar tree.
Owned by Seda Hotels.
The thing that I was talking about, yun yung trunk nila sa pagtaas. Tapos yung leaves nandun na sa pinakatakso. And there's a lot of them here.
Tara, Englishero, halata.
Yes. Hiking trip pala.
Oo nga.
Magical. This is the second time na nakita niyo umuusok na hininga namin. Ayun, dito sila nagpo-photo. Now, we've added our fourth layer. Biglang lumamig. Ayun, nakabalik na kami, no? Sakay na kami ng bus. Pero inapunta kami ng hill. Oh my gosh. We're now here in Mount Aso. As you can see, here. Lunch. Pero ito yung view namin.
Kasi matagal daw gawin, sabi ni
Oh my gosh.
Sabi ko ng day,
I think I like this. Wala ka daw lang may leaves. So dito kami nakain kanina dito, and the view that we're seeing is this. I'm gonna run right to the edge. If you are watching this, this is your sign of vacation. Look at this. There's so much beauty in this world na hindi nyo pa na-explore. It's time to see places, experience things, and enjoy the beauty that God has made. Grabe.